Dear diarrhea. Diarrhea full of shit. Just play along. Dear diarrhea, diarrhea full of shit. Just play along. Me, myself, and I, and no one else. Yo, I'm so legit. It's 4:20 in the morning. Puff, puff, puff that Mary Jane. Hey, bro, wanna go to the mountains? Anyway, I'm so sad and alone. I got up to pee. And when I crawl back into bed, it's the warm spot from my own body, because I ain't got no other warm body in my bed to, share the warmth under the covers and to press up against. In the morning, I think I shall hump my pillow. Again, I ain't got no flesh and blood woman to rub my dick on her panty butt and her butt and the rest of her. Hey, fucko, was that you? You've got to be the dumbest fucking piece of shit to ever walk this earth, you know what? What's your end game? Really? Me too. Segue into stupid. Hey, bunny humper. Nobody could love you. No, not nobody could love you like me, although very true. No, just literally nobody could love you. You're such a downer. You're such a buzzkill. You're such a poo-poo vibe. So enjoy drifting off to sleep by yourself, thinking about me for the rest of your life. You could have been my wife, but you want to be all huffy-puffy and shit. Okay. Because clearly I'll be fine, darling. I'd say you're being selfish, but truth is you're just being stupid. Yeah. You think you're the only girl in the world who's had a dead mother, die on them? Yeah. And you were, like I said, even before that, you were a crybaby, little complainer. Oh, boo-hoo, poo-poo my life anyway. I could tell. I remember, like a long time ago. I don't know if you do or not, but I do. Apparently, somebody dumped you, or your friends just sort of pushed you out, or something. Buzzkill, poo-poo vibe much? Yeah, the caption was like, "Just forget I ever existed" and shit. It's like you're poo-poo energy. You're unlovable. I'm the only one in the universe, who could hold you, as you drift off sleep and be like, I love you, buddy boo. You're my girl. As everybody else would be like, man, maybe I should start looking elsewhere. You'll be like, cuddle, cuddle. And whoever's holding you'll be like, yeah, baby, baby, oh, yeah, love you. When really he's like, fuck this shit. I'm the only one who legitimately would gently kiss you on the cheek. And that's it. Don't say anything. Sometimes less is more, but just, that was the good night, was the kiss. And wake up next to you and be like, what are we going to do today? Like I said, change you without knowing that I'm changing you. So, for your own good. Not like in a Captain Save-A-Ho thing, but like, look, hey, look, you're so dumb, this relationship will be like glorious for you, for like the first 2 months. And then you're going to become your own worst enemy. And I'm going to have to, like, save not only you, but myself from that bullshit. No. Woman. There's potential. I could even refer to you as a woman instead of just some chick. But, if I'm going to make you my woman, so, and I've said all that shit, like when the first baby, comes, I mean, god damn. You can't take her everywhere you go, You're in the shower, in the bathroom, just like there she is, She'll be fine, because it's just so you. So. And nobody could do that, for you, to you, with you. Everybody else would just date you, and then after a while, they'd be like, okay, I'm done. I can't take this anymore. There's just something about her, She doesn't have that glowing energy, I come home and it's just like, I mean, we go through the motions. We kiss, we hug, we're a couple, but there's just something about her that just sucks. And I'm the only one on planet Earth who could change that in you. Without like truly changing you. You know what I'm saying? So enjoy the rest of your life alone. Hope that didn't waste too much of your time. And fucko. Oh, delicious fucko. My spicy banana. Don't think I don't catch little things like that, you know what I'm saying? Did mama teach you to swing them hips like that? Alright. Do you know Bundle Baby or do you not? Leave a comment below. Oh, anyway, I don't know how we're going to do this, fucko. You, high class, living in fancy Los Angeles. I live in the high prairies of Colorado. Most exciting thing in the town that I live in is Dollar General. Denver has some stuff, but that's like a 40-minute drive, and it's not stuff that like you're used to, you know what I'm saying? All these fancy restaurants, it's like Denver has, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4. I haven't been to Lodo in forever. Lodo stands for Lower Downtown. You want to go to Harry's, pub, or whatever, I don't know. So, what are we going to do? Yeah, me and you. Plus, there's going to be, like, you're not a clubbing type of girl, are you? You've never done shit like that. Like, what's her name? Kosinabu, she would post pictures of her and Little Miss Satan, like, at a club, It's like, ooh, yuck. I used to go to clubs, and they suck. I also used to go to pool halls. They don't suck as much. But the thing is, if you and I walk into a pool hall, either just you and I or with, 2 other people or whatever, there's going to be probably some people who are going to hit on you, which puts me in a predicament. Because I have to respond, otherwise, if you give a rat a crumb, all of a sudden an ankle biter is a bulldog. And, there'll be some whatevers, and then when we leave, they'll leave at the same time, and, I wasn't planning on catching a case that night, because one guy's whatever, and then you gotta take them all on. Everybody's a fighter these days, Got the skills to pay the bills. Come on with you. And then there you be. Everybody breaks out their iPhones. One guy dies, when he hits the ground, cracks his skull open. All because you wanted to go shoot pool with a pretty girl by your side. And some fucking low caliber rats. Thought they smelled blood in the water. Turned out to be their own, but anyway. Maybe we'll just stay home and you can cook for me. But that's not your style, Yeah, you want to do that, but you also want to go out, so 40-minute drive into, the B team, nightlife. Denver is not Los Angeles, Anyway. Yeah. So, Kosinabu, hey, next time you're in the Springs, leave a comment below, My door is still open. I mean, all of you are still, on the list. SC, she was number one, She was probably all like, la 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 la, yeah, 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 ooh, ooh. It's like, I'll show you. You're not number one anymore. It's kind of open, But guess that's all I got to say, babe. But for now, somebody keeps constantly reminding me, it's wearing on my psyche. I'm starting to hate myself and my life.